Can't get a grip on your chainsaw? You probably need a new front handle. The front handle on your chainsaw allows for a safe, 2-point grip while using your saw. The design and location of the handle lets you pivot the saw while cutting for better control and less fatigue. The front handle works with the handguard to engage the chain brake in the event of a kickback accident. If the handle is cracked, broken, or missing fasteners, it must be repaired before using. A serious accident could occur if not. Replacing the front handle on your chainsaw is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. The top handle is secured with 4 fasteners. I'll go ahead and remove those. With the fasteners removed, now I can go ahead and pull the top handle away from the saw. Now I can install the new top handle. I'll align it with the mounting locations on the saw and then secure it with the screws.